Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your message contents in your iPhone when your screen is locked. So sometimes due to the settings, your messages are visible to some other people even though your screen of your iPhone is locked. So let's see how we can hide those messages when your screen is locked. So for this you need to tap on the settings. So just open the settings, and once settings section opens, just go to the notifications section. So click on notification, and here you can enable or disable the notifications for all your apps. But if you just want to set the notification settings for a particular app, then you can scroll down, and then here you will be able to see the messages app. So let me just find the messages app here, and here either you can disable all notifications. So here on the top you can see allow notifications, so you can just disable all notifications. If you don't want to do that, then you can also scroll down and open this section which says show previews, and if this setting is set to always, then your messages will be shown even though your iPhone screen is locked. So you must ideally select never here, or at least you should select when unlocked. So only when your iPhone screen is unlocked, somebody will be able to see the messages. If you select always, then even though your screen is unlocked, he will be able to see your messages. So I generally choose the default setting, which is when unlocked. But if you want to be on the safer side, then you can also choose the never option here. So this is how you can hide your messages content in the notification section when your screen is locked. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.